Hi, I'm Senator Alex Padilla, and I'm proud to be the first Latino to represent California in the United States Senate. And I thank you for inviting me to join you today. Now, while I may be a new United States Senator, I am not new to working with the Chamber. We've partnered throughout my career in public service, from my days as a member of the Los Angeles City Council to my time in the California State Senate and as California Secretary of State. So I look forward to continuing to work with you, but this time to expand opportunities for our Latino entrepreneurs throughout the country. Now, in my first 2 months in the Senate, I've been proud to support 3 California Latino appointees to President Biden's cabinet. Javier Becerra as Secretary of Health and Human Services, Alejandro Mayorkas as Secretary of Homeland Security, and Isabel Guzman as SBA Administrator. I'm also proud to have voted for the American Rescue Plan, which is delivering critical relief to American businesses and families as we work to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic. The American Rescue Plan includes $15 billion for grants to small businesses in low-income communities that have been most affected by the pandemic, $175 million to help small businesses in underserved and underbanked communities access to COVID-19 relief resources available to them, and historic expansions in the child and earned income tax credits that are estimated to benefit nearly 4.7 million Latino children and 700,000 low-income Latino workers without children in California alone. The American Rescue Plan is a first major step in helping our nation recover from this crisis. The recovery must include equitable economic and public health outcomes across communities, and it will not be successful if assistance fails to reach Latinos. That's why I'm working with administration officials to improve vaccine distribution, particularly for communities of color. To address pervasive and historic barriers to business ownership, I've teamed up with Senator Cardin to introduce the Minority Business Resiliency Act. This bill would codify the Minority Business Development Agency and provide it with the resources it needs to help minority entrepreneurs start and grow successful businesses. Now, greater corporate diversity will also unlock opportunity for most underrepresented communities, making our whole economy stronger. Our economy works best when it's inclusive, from entry-level jobs to the corporate boardrooms. So I'm proud to also co-sponsor Senator Menendez's legislation to help us get there, and we appreciate the Chamber's support. We've seen how California's inclusivity and diversity has helped foster some of the most innovative companies in the world, and it's time for corporate America to deliver on commitments to increase diversity in leadership positions. Finally, as a member of the Senate Environment and Public Works Committee, I'm working with my colleagues to develop a long overdue, comprehensive, and inclusive infrastructure package. We have a real opportunity to invest in projects that will provide good paying jobs and improve our communities by increasing access to resources like workforce training and broadband. As you can see, we have a lot of work to do. But I thank you again for inviting me to speak with you as you continue to advocate for our community. Please continue to stay safe.